Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Word Chapter 1 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economic, Java, C++, Python, nursing, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my WhatsApp and email on my bottom of the screen, shown on bottom of the screen. And my WhatsApp and email are given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this course. I will do your R simulation training, R simulation exam, all assignments project, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. Now I am going to start my exam to solve it step by step. Okay, the title of exam is What Chapter 1 Simulation Exam. Question number 1 is that in document properties add a author of art and add a key response. Click OK. Okay, in document properties add a author of art and add a keyword of response. Click OK. You can see here I am going to do this exam and please focus on my video and follow my video and you can done your exam by watching this video. If you do not able to do this exam, then contact me. I will do this complete exam for you with A plus grade. Let's start our exam. I am doing very slowly and you can done your exam by watching this video. We will go to the home tab. We will go to the file and then go to our print button. Sorry, go to info. Okay, add a author of art. We will have to add a author. You can see where is author name and then where add a keyword. First we will add author in the document properties. Author box we will add art. Okay, and then we will keyword of response. You can see here. First we will go to the file, go to the info and then we will go to the properties, document properties, go to the author box and then we will add author in the author box and add a keyword of response. We will go to the where is keyword advanced properties. We will add a title. Sorry, keyword is response. You can see author is art and then keyword of response. Then we will click on OK button. Question is completed. Now I am going to do next question of this exam. The next question of exam is that using the translate option on the review tab, translate the document into Spanish. Okay, using the translate option on the review tab, we will go to the review tab in the one second. Where is review tab? We will go to the review tab. Okay, we will go to the review tab, click on translate button and then translate the document into Spanish. Translate selection or we'll translate document. Okay, translate to Spanish. You can see simply first we will go to the review tab. In the language group we will click on the translate button, then we will translate. Okay, then we will translate the document to Spanish. We will go to the language, translate document to Spanish. Scroll down and here is Spanish. Okay, then we will click on translate button. Delete the page break near the top right column of page 2. We will delete the page break near the top right column of page 2. We will go to the page 2 and then delete the page break near the top right column. Okay, top right column of page 2, scroll down and then the top right column of page 2 and then we will delete the page break. Page break is here. We will simply select this and delete this. Okay, question is completed. Now I am going to do next question of this exam. The next question is that insert a continuous section break before the first body paragraph beginning with global trend such as. Okay, in this question we will insert a continuous section break before the first body paragraph. We will click on insertion point before the first body paragraph, then we will insert a continuous section break beginning with global trend such as. Okay, here is the first body paragraph beginning with global. We will click on here insertion point and then go to the layout tab. In the page setup group, click on break button and then click on continuous. Okay, we will click on continuous is here, continuous. You can see when we will click on continuous. Now click column in the page setup group and select 2. We will go to the page setup group in the layout tab and click on column button and then we will select 2. You can see in the page setup group layout tab, click on column button and then select 2 column. Okay, insert a column break before strengthening communicates near to bottom of the left column. Basically in this question we will have to insert a break before strengthening communities near the bottom of left column. You can see we will click on layout tab in the page setup group, click on breaks button and then insert column break. We will click on insert column break. First we will click on before the strengthening communities. You can see here we will click on before the strengthening communities and then we will go to the layout tab in the page setup group. We will click on break button and then insert column break. Click on column. Okay, question is completed now. Now I am going to do next question of this exam is question number 4. Check for and correct spelling and grammatical error in the document. Ignore any grammar or other refinement concern. Click OK when the spelling check is complete. Okay, very simple. We will check and correct spelling and grammatical error in the document. We will go to the review tab and then we will select the click on grammar button. We will scroll down and then spelling. You can see here I am doing this question. Focus on my PC screen. Ignore all, ignore once and click on OK. Oh, really sorry. Okay, insert a page break before the word response redness at the end of page 1. Okay, we will click before the response readness and then we will insert a page break before the word response readness at the end of page 1. We will go to the layout tab in the page setup group. We will click on break button. Then we will insert a break. Okay, where is you can see. Please focus on my PC screen. If you do not able to do this exam, then contact me. I will do this complete exam for you with A plus grade. And I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. We will click on break button. Page break. Save the file as PDF document in the document folder with the name response. We will go to the file tab and then we will save the file as PDF document in the document folder. File name response, we will go to the file tab and then we will go to the save. Okay, we will go to the save as and then go to the document folder and we will click on document and then we will the name of file is we will select PDF first. Okay, save the file as PDF and then document folder and then the file name is response. Question is completed now I'm going to next question of this exam is question number 6. Position the insertion point before the response readiness heading near the bottom of page 1 on the same line as the heading and insert a page break. Okay, position the insertion point before the response readiness heading near the bottom of page 1 on the same line as the heading and insert a page break. You can see we will position the insertion point first before the response readiness. Click on before the response readiness and then we will go to the layout tab in the page setup group. Then we will click on break button, insert a page break. Click on page button. Okay, page break will be inserted. You can see I have done 7 question of this exam in my video. For remaining question and if you want to do it for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. And if you need help in this course, I am handling many students courses on MATLAB Pearson, MC Grahil Simnet, Blackboards, Cengage Mentap and many more online colleges and universities. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my art students. Thank you so much.